you at school. Your mama, I should call. I'm sorry, teacher. My sister is in hospital. Paulina is in hospital. Yeah, I'm so upset. How many days of off of school do you need? They said about 100 weeks, but I might think it's about a year. Can I speak to Paulina? Yes. How you feeling, my darling? I hope you're not feeling worse. I am feeling pretty bad because my throat is pulling up. The hospital said I must be here for 100 weeks, and I wish I can let my sister go to school. Oh, I feel so bad. I wish you can come, but can you come? I know, I know, I know, I know. I know, I know, I know, I know. You feel so bad, and I hope you feel so better after 100 weeks. Now, can I have the phone to your mama? No, my mama is at her job. Where does she work? She works at daycare. Can I have the phone back to your sister? Yes, I do not care. I'm so upset. I wish I could. She's out of the hospital. That's my song I made up. You can do whatever, but I love y'all. I hope y'all like my YouTube channels. Well, can y'all please comment on some of my YouTube channels? I really want y'all to.